Assalamualaikum everyone, it's Mr. TECHFOX and today I'll show you how to view saved Wi-Fi passwords in Windows. If this helps, don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips. Alright, let's dive right in. Here's how to find the password for your current Wi-Fi network. First, right-click the Wi-Fi icon and select Network and Internet Settings. After then, select Network and Sharing Center. Under your active Wi-Fi connection, click on the network name and then click on Wireless Properties. Now switch to the Security tab and check Show Characters. And there's your password. And that's it. Now you know how to access Wi-Fi passwords in Windows. If this guide was helpful, please hit subscribe for more quick tech tips from Mr. TECHFOX. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.